പുല്ലാനിക്കാട്ടിൽ കണ്ണിമാഞ്ഞ കടിച്ചു നടക്കാൻ കാട്ടിൻ പാദസരങ്ങൾ പിലുക്കാൻ പിന്നെ മഞ്ചാടിക്കുന്നിലേറാ.
Aiswarya has asked me to introduce her first entrance song, which is a very famous song. And if you know the lyrics, Aiswarya would love it if you would sing along and serenade her as she comes on the stage.
Hi Ash and Sai, congratulations on your wedding. What a beautiful day.
We're so proud to be here.
Ash looked so beautiful and Sai and Ash looked so happy on stage, you know, when they interact with each other. Honestly, when Ash came in, I was teared up a little bit.
She was beautiful. She's stunning. And we're so happy for you both and we can't wait to see where the rest of your lives will take you. Lots of love.